Right, I'm going to carry on with the Blooded and move on to the Grenadier now. So what I need is to... Oh, let me remember here. My brain just went to sleep. 65 and 66, which I've marked out in red. I do like units like the Grenadier because the only real difference is that it's kind of lobbing a bomb, so they look fine if you're trying to build this as just regular 40k troopers. I almost said cultists then, but they're not cultists. 67, the professional, for want of a better words, Chaos Guardsman. Can't wait to get the Combat Patrol Guardsman now so I can really give these a bit of support, like hardcore support. So I'm really trying to decide if I want to do the whole guard from Combat Patrol as traitors or just a few of them. It's a real tough call, isn't it? Because I kind of want to expand my Astrolataran army, but I just kind of don't really think that the Cadian style body suits what I'm going for. Because I was going to look at potentially 3D sculpting some alternative heads for the Cadians to make them look more Asian, give them like kind of a different helmet type or hat type, but I'm finding time would be too much of an issue, and the quality of my 3D printer is not really, I think, going to match the models, so I might have to put that on hold for another day. I'm sure there'll be another Combat Patrol coming eventually where I'll get more. Alright then, let's have a look at it. Right, now what I need to do is I actually need to start moving over to this smaller, what is basically the beast brew at the moment. Oh, let me just, it's a bit weird this one. Let me just get this right. Yeah, so I need B10, which is a lasgun arm. And 9, which is his throwing arm. I'll find the rest of it any second now, and I'm going to go for head number 7, although there is an alternative head. And then finally there's an open arm somewhere, number 8, yes. And this should hopefully be quite a easy put together now. There. Ah, he has spikes on his head and his spikes bite me. Not cool, man. Not cool. This hand doesn't want to sit on easily, does it? Come on. Just double checking this because it seems there we go. I think that's about right. Let's have a look here because I suppose it depends which head you're going for. Yeah, the spiked helmet looks off this way, whereas the flat helmet looks off the other way. That's fine. Now, how does this gun sit on? Feels like you just kind of loop it over. Right, you have to put it on first and then add the arm, that's why. There we go. Nice and easy build. There we go. So there's our Grenadier, all nicely done. He's got an interesting pose on him as well, which is quite nice, but he can still double up as a normal trooper. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video.